Yes, my viewers, when you're having problem with your IMAX box, the double speaker 215 or a single 15-inch in the box, when you have problem with it, the display, it turn on and everything, display showing that it is playing but you're not hearing any sound. Okay, it's very easy and simple to fix. Alright, my viewers, it's all about, this is the circuit from outside the box. Alright, this is the main circuit. Okay, as you can see, it looks similar to the rest of the powered box circuit. Alright, two transistors here. One is on this side, one is on the other side. As you can see. Alright, yeah. Make sure you check those transistors before going any further. Alright, because those two transistors control the relay. If anything happen up here, the relay is not going to open or not going to close to hit for you to hear the music. Alright, so these transistors change them. Alright, this is the one that come out of the box. Can focus for you to see the number on it. Okay, KTB 1369. Alright, the KTB, it tells you that it is a PNP transistor. Alright, the next transistor on the other side is KTD. The D to tell you that it is a NPN transistor. So this one is the PNP transistor gone. So I replace it. Okay. So my viewers, when a powered box giving a problem, you know, display turn on, display is reading but not giving you any sound. Check those two transistors first before you get any further. Alright. So here's my viewers. Evah Slick from Evah Slick Creation. Evah Slick Media. I'm out. And thanks for watching, my viewers. See you there.